Hello, welcome to Lower Grange Farm. It's very sunny out here, and today we are actually doing some gardening. And the farmer himself, Mr. Waters, is sitting right here. Good afternoon. Is it good afternoon or good morning, Mr. Waters?
Yes, it's still morning, just
Yeah.
good morning.
Yeah. What have you got to say to the viewers, the people watching this video?
Oh no, I'm just grateful that you
Yeah.
put in these
Yeah.
plants for me because I can't do it anymore.
Okay. No, I'm here to help you. So that's fine. No worries. So what we're doing, we are actually planting what is known as geraniums. Is it geraniums or geraniums?
Geraniums.
You call them geraniums.
Yeah, geraniums.
So the geraniums are the red ones, and what do you call these little white ones?
Alyssum.
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 Yeah.
Wow. And these blue ones? Because why I say blue? Because there's a blue flower coming out there.
Yeah.
Or are they the same type? No, they're not.
Lobelia.
What?
Lobelia.
Lobelia. So there's alyssum and lobelia, and yeah. So this is what we're doing here, and then we got Lassie is sniffing everywhere, and is very unsettled. I don't know why. Lassie, what's wrong? No biscuits. No more biscuits. So anyway, so we are doing the gardening here. So we've just planted one pot over there, and this is the second pot we've done. We still got some more, but Mr. Waters is still thinking where to plant the rest of these.
I'm going to show you now.
All right, he's going to show me now. And then so we planted, this is the third pot. This is the old compost for last year. This has to be discarded. So let's see where we're going to plant the others. This wisteria, it's actually broken your concrete. Have you seen this?
Yes, oh yes.
The roots, I think it's going to lift up the house if it's not taken care of. Oh, these look very dead. The flowers look very nice and colorful, but they're dry.
Take them out.
Yeah.
Like before, down to take all the old soil out,
And top it up, yeah.
top it up. Then I tell you, 3 geraniums.
Yes.
1, 1, 1,
3, yes.
and in between, white, blue, white, blue.
Okay. All right. No problem. I'll sort it out. No worries.
Okay?
Yeah. So what color do you want there of the geraniums? Do you want just red?
I'll show you now.
Oh, okay.
There's the 3 pink ones,
Yes.
salmon color.
All right.
And I'm going to sit in the house.
Okay.
Okay?
Do you want me to make you a cup of tea?
When you finish that first,
All right. Some tea with some biscuit?
no hurry, no.
Oh, there's some cake there actually.
Yeah, no, okay.
Yeah.
I love it. Okay.
Are you feeling too hot? You want to go inside?
Yeah,
All right then. Okay, I'll do likewise.
this one,
And that
this
one. Yeah.
and that one.
Yep.
They're the 3 pink ones.
Yes.
And there.
All right then. Okay. Thank you very much. So these are the old flowers. They've been removed and they're going to be discarded, thrown in the pit somewhere there. These are the brand new ones. They will be planted in that section there in a minute. So this is the compost that's going to be used for our planting our next flowers. So I'm just going to empty it and level it and then do the planting. So that's what it looks like now after planting them. It's looking nice and pretty. It's time to throw away all these old flowers now. So that's it for the gardening. If you like anything that you've seen or you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, give it a like and share the video. And also, if you want to say something to contribute about what we've been discussing about the garden, what I've been showing you, just leave a message in the comment section and I will get back to you. Bless you and thank you for watching. It's adios amigos, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.